This 2025 Coachmen Cross Trail XL 23XG Ford E350 is a Class C RV. It is located in Dover, Florida, 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab. This 2025 Coachmen Cross Trail XL 23XG Ford E350 is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.